Hey my Dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to be reviewing NELF Cosmetics. So they sent me some products and I'm going to apply it on my face and see if I like it or not and if I would recommend these products to you guys. NELF Cosmetics is a vegan and cruelty-free brand which I absolutely love. So most of the makeup brands these days, they are cruelty-free and some of them are vegan, which is incredible. So let's get started. Before starting off with the makeup, I just washed my face with this Dermavive Hydra Cleanser. This does not make my skin dry after I use it. And then I'm just going to moisturize my face with this Nutriderm Vitamin E Moisturizing Lotion. Moisturizing the skin is very important before putting on any makeup. It prevents the makeup from looking cakey, and the vitamin E in it actually protects and hydrates the skin. So since they did not send me any primer, I am going to use this NELF Professional Makeup Fixer. So it makes the makeup stay longer and gives a dewy finish to the skin. It also acts as a refreshing mist and it's got natural extracts which helps in the hydration. Next, moving on to the foundation. This one is an HD foundation. So the foundation is not runny at all. Let me put it on the skin and see how it feels. Okay, so it's a little pink for me. The color I think is a little off for me, but it blends really nicely. Since the color is like a little off for me, I think I need to apply it on my neck. The foundation blended really well and it gives kind of a dewy finish. This is how my foundation looks up close. It gives a very dewy finish which I absolutely love, and it blended really well. Especially where I have pores, because I did not even apply any primer. But the foundation itself managed to blur out my pores, which I'm very happy about. And the foundation does not feel tacky at all. So they did not provide me with any concealer, so I just applied concealer and did my brows and back. So the next product I'm going to be testing out is this NELF Cheer Up Baked Blusher. It not only gives a very pretty color to your face, but it also kind of highlights. So if you are somebody who likes a very glowy blusher, then this one is for you. I actually love it. So if you wear this blusher, I don't think there is any need of a separate highlighter because this will act as a highlighter as well. The baked blusher is priced at 349 rupees only, and I think for NELF products the price range is amazing considering the brand to be a vegan and cruelty-free product. I'm very excited about this highlighter. I'm super excited to try it out. Okay, a lot came out in the first bump. I'm just going to apply with my fingers and see. And then I'm going to blend it out with the sponge. Okay, this one is a beautiful highlighter, but you really have to blend it out well. I mean, look how blinding it is. So the highlighter is blinding, but you need to be really careful about the blending of the highlighter. I was just trying to just squeeze in just a little bit. If a little bit would come out of the bottle. It's like every time you try to pump out a little product, a lot comes out, because I don't think anyone needs this much highlighter to highlight their face. At least I don't. Or one more thing you can do about the highlighter is whatever remains, you can apply it on your body, like your collarbones and your shoulders if you want. Good thing about the highlighter is that it is a beautiful highlighter. If you are into liquid highlighters, then I would say go for it. The highlighter is like blinding. So now I'm going to move on to the eyes. They sent me these two color trio eyeshadow. This is the first one. This is in the shade E06. This is the second one, and this is in the shade E03. I'm going to take this dark blue shade. Oh my god, I really love the pigmentation. I didn't expect it to be this pigmented, honestly, especially because of the price. The eyeshadows are also for 349 rupees only. And I'm also really happy that there has been no fallout. I'm impressed, guys. Wow. I mean, obviously I'll ask you to use your fingers, because if you use your fingers, the color comes out much more and much brighter. So if I were to be applying this one, I would use my fingers. Next, I'm going to take this blue shade and I'm just going to apply it in the middle. Whoa. I did not even have to pick up a lot. I just dabbed my fingers and then applied it, and this is what came out. The next color I'm going to use is this black. Just going to use it in the outer corners. just to darken up a little bit. I'm also going to apply it in the lower lash line. For the inner corners, I'm going to use this color. So now I'm going to use the NELF HD Gel Eyeliner. And it comes with 2 brushes. The shade number is 3 and the shade name is Deep Blue. This one is a waterproof, smudge-proof one, and it is supposed to stay for a very, very long time. This one is priced at 650 rupees. Okay, so this one is really, really smooth and it glides on easily. I love the pigmentation. I absolutely loved the gel eyeliner, especially the application. It was super, super smooth. It glides on easily without any difficulty. The pigmentation, the color, I loved everything about it. And it is smudge proof because it does not leave a residue on my fingers. Now moving on to the mascara, I'm first going to curl my lashes. So this one is the Maximize Mascara. So this one is an 18 hours stay waterproof, smudge proof lengthening mascara. And this one is priced at 375 rupees only. My lashes are super flat lashes, and if a mascara does something to my eyes, that means that it's a very, very good mascara. So let's see how this one performs. So the one thing that I don't like about this mascara is whenever I'm trying to pull my lashes up, the wand is somehow, it seems like a very flimsy wand. I don't know, like that might be a good thing, that might be a bad thing, but I like wands which are like super, super stiff. So this is the first coat. It did a pretty good job. I'll show you what I mean. Like this one really bends, so I'm not sure how this is supposed to work. This one bends, like this is super flexible, but it does not break. I'm gonna go in for a second coat. So this is the second coat. So it gives length, but it does not give you the volume. But it does not promise that it'll give you the volume. It is a lengthening mascara. So I will say that it does what it says. So this is both the eyes with the second coat. I would say I am not a fan of the mascara because though it lengthens the lashes, it does not really add volume, and it also kind of clumps my eyelashes. And it's like once the clump is formed, it's very difficult to remove the clump with the wand because the wand is a little flimsy. Also because the wand is really, really thick, it just got smeared on my lower lashes a little bit. So I'm not a fan of the mascara. Moving on to the lipsticks. So they sent me 2 lip liners and 2 lip shades. The lip liners are for 325 rupees each. And the lipsticks, they have SPF 15 and they are lead free. The lipsticks are priced at 360 rupees each, which is like pretty inexpensive. This lip liner is not that smooth in application. This is how the color looks like. I think it's very, very pretty. Considering the price point, which is 325 rupees for 1 lip liner, I think this should have been a little bit more smoother. I'm going to use the shade Peach Cuddle. The lipstick is soft and the application was easy and I love the color. And now I'm going to finish off with the fixer. I'm going to recommend the foundation, the eyeshadow, the blusher, the lipstick, and the gel eyeliner. So I actually loved these products. Looking at the price point, I think these products performed really, really well. So yeah, I think I would recommend these to you guys. This is it for this video, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.